In time series, we have discussed two methods to measure the time series. The very first we have learned about the freehand curve method, and second method we have learned about the semi-average method is over there. In today's video, we will learn a new methods related to the time series, that is called moving average method. In semi-average method, we divided the series into two parts and getting the average of first part and getting the average of second part. But in moving average method, we are having moving average of maybe in 3 years, maybe in 4 years, maybe in 5 years, and getting the trend value on the moving average, and we are having the forecast on the trend line is over there. So I have taken an example. The year is given 1 to 15 and the production is 100, 94, 81, 78, 102, 47, 158, 118, 96, etc. is over there. We can having 3 year moving average is over there, 4 year moving average, and 5 year moving average is over there. So for getting the moving average, the very first, suppose we are having 3 year moving average, 3 year moving average. So firstly we total first 3. Moving average, it means firstly we will getting the average of this and leaving this, againly the average of these 3, then again average of these 3. That is called moving average. Whether we are having 3 years moving average, whether we are having 5 year moving average, whether we are having 4 year moving average, doesn't matter, is over there. So the original data is this, and the trend data related how many years we are using as a moving average is over there. Suppose I am having 3 year moving average. For that 3 year moving average, the firstly I will get the total of 3. That is called 3 year moving average. So firstly, this is year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 years data is over there. The production is 100, 94, 81, 78, 102, 147, 158, 118, 96, 101, 103, etc. So I am taking 3 year moving average is over there. For getting 3 year moving average, what I have to do? The very first I should learn what I should be care about for that. That very first I will having the addition of 3, 100 plus 94 plus 81. So addition is 275. First 275, and getting the average of 275 divided by 3, average 275 divided by 3, that is 91.67. What is 275 divided by 3? That is 91.67. Now moving average, leaving 100, we will adding all 3, that is 94 plus 81 plus 78, that is 253, and divided by 3 we are having 84.33. Next 81 plus 78 plus 102, 81 plus 78 plus 102, so addition is 261. Getting the average of divide by 3, that is 87. This is called moving average. Every time the move is over there. Now 3, this 78 plus 102 plus 147. So the total is 327. Divided by 3, so the moving average will be 109. Now 102 plus 147 plus 158, so total is 407. Divide by 3, that is 135.67. This is moving average. Now 147 plus 158, 147 plus 158 plus 118, so 423. Divided by 3, so average is 141. Now 118, 158, 158 plus 118 plus 96, So total is 372. Divide by 3, that is 124. Then 118 plus 96 plus 101, total is 315. Divided by 3, that is 105. This is moving average. Now 96 plus 101 plus 103, so 300. Moving average is 100. Now 101 plus 103 plus 91, 295. Divide by 3, 295 divided by 3, that is 98.3. Next one, 103 plus 91 plus 89, so 283. Divide by 3, that is 94.3. Next one, 91 plus 89 plus 103, 283. Againly 283. Okay, 103 leave or 103 8. Okay, so 94.3. And last one, 89 plus 103 plus 121, that is 313. Divide by 3, that is 104.3. So firstly we have got the moving average. The moving sorry, you can having the moving average of 5 year, moving average of 4 year, moving average of 3 year. It depend on you. So what I have done, firstly I add these three, 275 divided by 3, then leaving 100, againly one adding of 94 plus 81 plus 78, 253 divided by 3, then leaving 94, 81 plus 78 plus 102, addition 261 divided by 3, then leaving 81. Similarly we are to curve, that is called moving average. So it's a moving average, so it's a trend value. Now plotting the data, the minimum data is, I think we should start from 78. Okay, so we should start from the 70. Okay, so having the data, plotting the data, year, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, 6 sorry, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 years. We are having false baseline because minimum data start for 70. So already we have discussed about the false baseline. So here start 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 158 is the maximum, 140, 150, 160, 170. So firstly we will plot the original data. First one is 100, second one is 94, third one is 81, fourth one is 78, then 102, fifth is 102, sixth is 147, then 158, seventh is 140, 158, 158, 160, 158. So this original data, this to this, this to this, 158, 118 for 8th, 118, 100, 120, 120, 8 for 8, 118. So this goes to down. Then 96, on 9 there is a 96, 100, 96. So again it decreases. then 101 on 10, that is 101. Then 103, 11, 103. Then 91 and 12, 91. Then 89. Then 103. Then 121. So this is original data. And this is average. Average is 91. Then 84. Then 87 for third. So then 109 for fourth. Then 135 for fifth. So the trend line move to this like. This is original line. And this is trend line. You will plot this, you will get such kind of the graph is over there. So if you are to having any kind of the forecast you want, you will make the forecast on the trend line, not on the original line, trend. Okay, when you plot is this on the graph paper, you will certainly get such kind of the graph is over there, because this is increasing, decreasing, again increasing. So this decreasing, again increasing. So this is trend line. It may be trend line may be in this form also. Here from this here is increasing, and last one that may be increasing. So when you plot in the graph paper, then certainly you will get the correct trend line. If you are to forecast about the 16 years, so we will having the forecast on the 16 year. We will go on the trend line, and seeing the trend line, we will forecast that will be 115. So seeing this trend, we can having the forecast for this. So this is called moving average method. We can having moving average of 3 years. We can maybe having the moving average of 4 years. We can having the moving average of 5 years, etc. So just to now, it's not important method is over there, but just for your knowledge, I have explained this how to calculate the moving average is over there. And this is first one, that is called original data. I have plot. This is original data, and this is called trend data. So this is dotted is trend data, and this is original data. So whenever we are to having any kind of the forecast, we always forecast on the trend value, not on the original data. So I think this, with the help of this video, you may be learn how to calculate moving average method for analysis of time series. Thank you once again.